Google Keep is a free-form note-taking app and its value is in its simplicity. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Keep checkboxes feature for organizing groceries list so that you can buy them both online and offline very easily. You can also use this Google Keep tickboxes feature for planning a vacation or a surprise party. Checkboxes make things easier to read and you can check the items off as they are completed. You can also move them up or down according to their priorities. Google Keep is available for you to use it on the web. So it's available on all your computers and there are also iOS and Android apps. Let's talk about groceries list. This is probably one of the most common reasons people use a diary or a note-taking app. In this case, we are using Google Keep. Google Keep checkboxes feature make it easier to focus one activity at a time. Let us learn how to use Google Keep tickboxes feature. There are two different ways to create a list with Google Keep checkboxes. You can either use the new list button or add the checkboxes to the previously made list by tapping the plus button and then choosing the tick boxes option. From that point forward, just tick these boxes as you have completed the items to move them to the bottom of the list. If at any point you want to hide the checkboxes, uncheck all items or delete the ticked items, you can do that by tapping the three dots beside the list name on the mobile. From there, all the available list options show up. The first option is hide checkboxes. This option will remove the checkboxes and your list will appear as a normal list. The second option is untick all items. If you click this option, then it will restore all the ticked items to the original list. The third option is delete ticked items. This option will remove all the items that are marked as completed and your list will appear neat and clean. You can also make a to-do list in Google Keep and checkmark the activities as you move forward. This will give you a feeling of being more productive. The act of writing a to-do list can give you a sense of accomplishment as you tick off the items. You will be able to clearly see your progress and feel a sense of boost in motivation that will help you complete your projects. So this was the quick introduction of the checkbox feature of the Google Keep Android app. If you like this feature, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.